Okay, we're here with the Battleship Crushers, and they've just visited the Lost Realm, and they made some drawings to share with us what they saw. So we're going to start with Wyatt. Wyatt, what did you see in the Lost Realm?
Deer.
Deer? Where are the deer at, Nana? Let me see them. Oh, nice.
That too.
And what can you tell us about the deer?
They
They
eat people.
eat people?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's scary.
That's very small.
All right, Ethan, what did you see in the Lost Realm?
So in the Lost Realm, you see, I keep the gate there. I saw death and a board, and that guy hit with an arrow, and it got hit so hard that it fell off. And a giant red zombie that got hit by a sword.
So there's zombies in the Lost Realm?
Yeah, and a bloody sign that says "Help me."
Oh my goodness.
And a skull, a cut off nail, and a broken back.
So would you recommend people to go visit the Lost Realm, or should
No.
we stay away from the Lost Realm?
Stay away until go there heavily armed with cannons.
Okay. All right, well done, kids. Good job.